Yep, there goes the...
Cookie! See the ball still? Oh, Henry, it's all wet.
He likes that.
Bring it back! Whoa, you're so fast! Here we go! Go! Get it! Faster! Faster!
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Happy Tuesday. I'm going to the doctor about my other medicine for my brain and depression and stuff. There's a lot going on. It's stuff that just takes a lot of work and phone calling and everything, and so I have an MRI today at 5:15. Yay. I don't have a problem with MRIs. I just think the whole thing has me kind of stressed out. And now I'm going to my APRN who does all of my depression meds, so yeah. I don't know. She made some changes. I'm not sure if they're good or bad. But this morning I pulled a tick off of Luke. So I'm hoping he's okay. So we need to take him to the doctor later, because around here, you get a tick, you go to the doctor, because there's Lyme's disease. Too many people have had it. Even the dogs had it, and we had it. And John had a tick, and he went and got doxycycline. They give it to you immediately because it's really bad. So I called for a quote to get someone to come and spray for ticks, because they're like 10 times worse than I ever remember. Okay, I'll be right back. Bye, I'm vlogging because I haven't vlogged much today. Okay,
Come on in, Daniel.
Daniel, come on in to your room. You have some guests coming to... Here, Judy, you want to spin the room around? All right. So, we're going to have some storms. So Thomas and I are taking these rocks and battening down the hatches, so to speak, so that things don't blow away, because we just put the gazebo. I put it on the lower deck this year, see? We haven't even planted the planter yet. I need to put this down, because this will definitely blow away. Alright, storms are coming. Alright, so we closed up this. I filled this with rocks. So this isn't bolted, but it's pretty strong. We put rocks around the base of this thing. Hopefully it stays. But I'm worried about the roof, because some of the Velcro has worn away. Oh, I'm gonna have to secure it. I think we have some of these ties. Just don't know what to secure these to. Fast moving sky. At this very moment, John is about 10 miles away in hail. Whoa! like a train all of a sudden.
Yeah. You know you want power twice.
We did?
Yeah. Like that one.
I hear something creaking. Wow. Power's out. Oh my God, John's driving in this. Because he was on the highway and he was getting hailed on.
Oh my God, look at that. Theo just sprinted upstairs.
Still waiting for those stations.
Hey, you probably should have waited till they got their gazebo instead.
Did something just go over? Did you hear that? Did you hear the creaking? Yep, there goes the tree.
Where?
Oh, I gotta close the window, guys. Close the window, Tom. The rain's coming in. We're in the dark. The power is out. And it's kind of hot and we don't have any lights. And I don't know how long it's going to be out, but there are literally trees down everywhere. School's been canceled for tomorrow. And even Judy is waiting for her daughter who's having a really hard time picking her up because her whole area is all trees down too. See if I have any life on my computer. 56. I'm going to try to upload. Or at least I can edit a little bit, maybe. I don't know.
Hey.
Do you ever lose power in Ireland?
Yeah. I don't know.
No.
Our memory's short. Hey, we can do 2 player.
What are we gonna do?
What do you mean, what are we gonna do? The power's been out for 15 minutes and everyone's like,
I need to do the dishes. Father's gonna.
can't do the dishes.
I know, that's the problem. You need to do laundry. Can't do laundry. You need to do the dishes. Can't do dishes.
You can't do Promise?
Do you have any power on either of your iPads, honey?
You wanna play Rummy Cub?
Yeah, maybe. But you don't have access to the
Before
internet.
the sun goes down?
This is almost dead here. Do we have another one?
Come here.
I have one. I'll get you a better one.
What do you mean, come and get it?
My battery's gonna die, and I don't have any way to charge my
Oh
camera.
my God.
And then
Please
what?
don't see this vlog. We're dead!
Ah! Ah!
It's dark.
It's very dark. What are you doing?
Dark. I can't see anything.
You happy about having no school?
I've been playing this moral game with myself that every time I think, oh man, it's dark in here, let's turn on a light. Every single time. It's, no, we don't have power.
It kind of makes you depressed.
Oh, it's awesome. That's where I'm at right now. It's good.
All right, my battery's going. Bye. My battery's going. Hi. Henry. How you doing, honey?
What's up?
How you doing in the dark?
Okay.
You having fun?
Loads.
All right. We're just watching the power trucks go up and down the road.
Keep watching.
working. We took showers. Got Daniel up.
You know?
The governor declared a state of emergency in our town. Nobody has school. Everybody's home. They're playing a game. We have no power. But we have the generator, but he doesn't want to leave it going all day. But that's good that we got it started. Daniel, you want to play with your iPad? I need to make some phone calls to find out if I'm still having my MRI today and if I'm having a nurse for my friend here. Really? Daniel's not amused. Daniel. I get a weird kind of pleasure out of watching you suffer.
You know, right?
I know, right? Thomas says, I know, right? Electricity. Talking Tom.
I'm going to pee.
No.
So I'm still going to have my MRI at 4:15.
What? Jordan's 9 days older than me.
I dare you to take the saxophone, sit on the back deck, and play as loud as you can.
I can't. It's raining.
Oh, when it's not raining.
I dare you to do it under the gazebo.
The little umbrella.
I would just love to hear how it would sound like going through the woods. So it'd be
Sounds like a saxophone.
a little walk. Just to get out of the house because we're bored. Right? A little fresh air. We waiting for Sarah and Luke? Can't go that way. Maybe she got it out of Betty's garbage. Well, that was a short walk because the roads are blocked. We have a tree sitting on our power lines. Right there. You sleepy, Daniel? Come on. Daniel got fussy. We really couldn't take much of a walk because there's trees down and they have wires down and they have the road blocked off with tape. So morning nurse couldn't come in, couldn't make it, but the afternoon nurse is coming in early, which is good. So John's going to take me to my MRI at 4:15, which is also good. You just hear the constant humming of people's generators in the distance. Come on, come on. Kind of wondering how long we'll be without power here. The thing said it could take days, but apparently John said they can't do too much to repair the wires until they clear the roads, and the roads are a mess. Like more than half of the roads closed at least. That's what the message said this morning. So the kids probably won't have school again tomorrow. You know what? We're going to Florida in about a month. I don't care if school's over or not. Yay! Chris is here! Chris made it through the bedlam and the trees and the mess.
Keep in touch with us. Maybe you can check in. Makes you think twice when you see all these big trees around, you know what I mean? This is the one here, yeah. This was all a mess. Look at this telephone pole. That's got to be fixed.
Whoa, it's crooked.
This might be a good sign. Right, so people were all trying to get around this.
Is this the one that the guy was out cutting himself?
Yeah, some guys were all cut.
Wow. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Oh, we have to turn around. No, we live right there. We have Chinese food. Please let us through, please, please. Are they directing? Yeah, they're directing. No, I don't know. I can't tell. Can't tell. Yeah. Just go for it, man. Go for it, John. No one's stopping you. They don't have the road stopped.
No. We're not going that way. We're gonna go back. So,
We never go on this road anymore. I've been up here in a long time. Years.
I just take Thomas driving up here.
That's where the Lanza house was.
Yeah. Thomas and I were driving back here one time. I was like, where's the house? I thought it was on the left-hand side.
Oh, back there. That must have been really ugly when it happened. Huh? Look at that thing. Scary ass tree. Go down this way, maybe.
I don't know.
And then
Just hoping it'll puncture a tire. That's why I didn't want to be out driving around.
go up. What? I'm sorry. Will they let you by? Can you get by? Look at this, you guys. I don't know, John. There's a wire there. That's like right there. Look at that.
Yeah, I know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This whole woods here went down. All right, we'll go by down. That was messy. I'm so sorry. I mean, I had no idea that was bad.
I know.
I mean, I knew it was bad over this way, but I heard that it was worse about a half mile down the hill. Like, it's decimated, is what I heard. We're riding on the wires. This isn't just... What? They're not, are they?
I don't think they're alive, no. I just want to get caught on them.
Oh, shit. What a mess. There's some thrill seekers riding their bikes.
Yeah, right.
Let's go look at the live wires. Don't touch them, Johnny. Okay. And we're home again. Out of the danger zone. At 6:36. It took us a long time to get home.